Okay guys, let's catch up on the results. Now we're looking at the ProTrend system, last trade signals. Now you buy on green and you sell on red when it comes to the color method. Let's look at a couple of trades in the main markets. Now Nvidia here, we had our last buy signal at 108. In fact, yeah, that was just 106, and we're still trading higher here. We're up 2,370 points. If you're doing that at a spread betting count in the UK, you're up £2,370. If you're doing £1 a point, 100 shares is the same. So we've been up for 18 days solid here, and there is no sign of a sell signal. A sell signal is when it turns red on the ProTrend system. Very nice profits indeed. Let's go to the FTSE 100. That's been a nice buy signal here when we turn green at 8,143. We're still actually green. There is no sell signal. So we're up 524 points. In a spread betting account, if you're doing that at £1 a point, you're at £524 profit, £10, £5,000, and so on. Okay, so very nice move, and it keeps it really simple because all we're doing here, and we know from my previous videos, trading can be difficult if you don't have an easy to follow trading system. Okay, very nice move on that one as well. Euro dollar come off lovely. I actually took a lovely sell signal here on the euro dollar, made me several £1,000s to the downside. We've been short in this market for 10 days. It's up 268 pips, so very nice, easy red short trading signal on the ProTrend system there. Aussie Swissy, this has been really nice. We've been looking at this as one of our blue whale trades on a monthly time frame, but we're in it on a daily, so the risk reward is fantastic. We've got a nice green buy from a white candlestick. That means go long the market. We're up 164 pips already, up nice 3% move in that. That's doing very well indeed. German DAX, everybody's popular market here if you're trading in Europe. 21,208 is the buy signal because it went from red to green on the ProTrend system and tracks here. All the way up. Is it red? No, there's no red in here. There's dark green. That tells you get ready. Maybe there might be a reversal coming. This is currently up 2,492 points, guys, in 28 days. Okay, so, you know, nearly a month there of trading, you're up 2,500 points. What a move that has been. And at the moment it's still green, so that's a nice DAX trade. Everyone's popular gold as well, that had a lovely sell signal, so we've been short gold. I'm actually still short gold in this market. There was our sell signal at 30,273. We're trading, we're up a few points, and I'm thinking this is going to get even further down with 3,092 on gold. You can see, look, you know, this is only moving a little bit at the moment. It's red. It's telling me to stay in the trade to the short side. As soon as it turns green, I'll get out for a small lot if that happens. The secret of trading, guys, is this number one thing. All right, there's nothing else really you need to worry about too much, but the thing is, let your profits run, cut your losses short. All right, that's what you've got to do. If you can hang into those winning trades for a long period of time like we're doing here on these markets. Dollar yen, what a move this one's been. We had a green buy signal, then a little pullback, and it's still continuing to push higher here. We're up 300 pips on this trade. Really nice move, and that is just in 12 days. Okay, no red yet to sell the trade. I mean, the thing is, right, if you start to second guess what's going to happen, and you get out here because the market's coming down for the day, and this is where I invented the ProTrend system and built it over all these years, is I would normally get faked out. Let me show you what this candlestick looks like. So what I've done now, I've turned the ProTrend system off and tracks. So you can see it's a red candlestick today. This is the sort of thing that used to fake me out of a trade, and then 3 days later it's trading up here. Okay, so the down days always got me out of trades early, so I could never let my profits run because I'd always get faked out. But if you literally put a system in here where it changes color and keeps you green, then you stay in the trades and you've got more of a chance of growing your account. That is the secret of trading, growing that account. All right, so I'm talking about the CAD Swissy. That is nice as well. That's pushing up. So if you really want a system that is going to maximize your profits here, trading with no stress whatsoever, ProTrend system and tracks, guys, every day. Another 3,000 yesterday day trading the markets. This is up 2,294 on the NASDAQ, okay? No second guessing, no wondering when to get in, no wondering when to get out. Everything done for you. Position sizing, stop loss placements, profit targets, buy on green, sell on red. If you want to get into the program, guys, there's a click back on this email down below. Speak to Chris. There's a cracking deal on at the moment, getting into the ProTrend Pro. You'll get all the training, and it's so simple. That's the key. Keep it simple to build that confidence, and more importantly, to build your trading account, okay? So make sure you click on the link, speak to Chris. We've got a cracking offer at the moment.